If you need to remove an app from your Whop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to uninstall an app from your merchant dashboard, quickly and safely. This is a really helpful tutorial if you connected the wrong app, no longer need a tool, or just want to clean up your Whop workspace and keep things organized. And as always, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, sign into your account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because from here, you'll be able to access the correct merchant tools and dashboard settings. On the left-hand navigation sidebar, click on Dashboard. This will take you into your existing seller panel where you can manage your Whop business and any connected tools or apps. If you have multiple Whops, pay close attention here. Make sure you are viewing the correct business by using the selection modal at the top left. This step matters because you don't want to remove an app from the wrong Whop by accident. Once you've confirmed you're in the right place, wait for your merchant dashboard to fully load. After that, scroll down the page until you find the app section. This is where all of your added apps should appear. Look through the list and locate the specific app you want to remove. It may be shown as a card or row depending on how your dashboard is organized. When you find the app, look to the far right side of its card or row. You should see a 3 dots icon, often displayed as a menu button. Click on those 3 dots to open the available options for that app. From the drop-down menu, choose Uninstall app, or in some cases it may say Delete app. That option will permanently remove the app from your Whop. Before clicking, take one final look to make sure it's the correct app, especially if you have multiple integrations connected. Once you select Uninstall, the app will be removed and no longer connected to that Whop. And that's it. You've now successfully removed an app from your Whop merchant dashboard. Super simple, but very useful when you want to keep your workspace clean and manage your tools more efficiently. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Whop walkthroughs and let me know in the comments if you want to see more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.